Herbs that help you sleep better. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, where we share valuable health and treatment tips. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, sleep. If you find it hard to fall asleep or stay asleep, natural remedies may be just what you need. Let's explore some herbs that can help you sleep better and improve your overall sleep quality. Number 1, chamomile. Chamomile is one of the most popular herbs for promoting relaxation and sleep. Its mild sedative effects can help calm the mind and body. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime is a soothing ritual that can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Try sipping on a cup of chamomile tea about 30 minutes before sleep. Number 2, valerian root. Valerian root is renowned for its ability to improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. It works by increasing levels of a calming neurotransmitter called GABA in the brain. You can find valerian root in capsule or tea form, but it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Number 3, lavender. Lavender isn't just a beautiful flower. It also has calming properties that can aid sleep. The aroma of lavender is known to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. You can use lavender essential oil in a diffuser, add a few drops to your pillow, or even drink lavender tea to experience its relaxing effects. Number 4, passion flower. Passion flower is another herb that can help alleviate insomnia and anxiety. It's believed to increase GABA levels in the brain, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. You can consume passion flower as a tea or in supplement form. It's particularly effective when combined with other calming herbs like valerian root or chamomile. Number 5, lemon balm. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, has soothing effects that can help reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Drinking lemon balm tea or taking it in supplement form can help you unwind after a long day. Its pleasant lemony aroma can also be calming and help create a relaxing bedtime environment. Number 6, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb known for its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. It helps the body adapt to stress and can improve overall sleep quality. You can find ashwagandha in powder or capsule form. Incorporating it into your evening routine may help you feel more relaxed and ready for sleep. Number 7, hops. Hops are commonly known for their use in brewing beer, but they also have sleep-promoting properties. Hops can help improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety when used in combination with other calming herbs like valerian root. You can find hops in herbal teas or as a supplement. Number 8, skullcap. Skullcap is an herb that has been traditionally used to relieve anxiety and improve sleep. It has mild sedative effects that can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Skullcap is available in tea or capsule form, making it a convenient option for those looking to enhance their sleep quality. Incorporating these sleep-promoting herbs into your routine can help you achieve a more restful night's sleep. Remember, it's essential to create a calming bedtime environment and establish a consistent sleep schedule for optimal results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Do you have any favorite herbs for better sleep? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Best Life Channel.